Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake topping with strawberries. Begin by slicing strawberries and tossing them with sugar to macerate for at least 15 minutes. Stir in a squeeze of lemon for brightness and a small amount of cornstarch dissolved in water. Simmer gently until it reaches a glossy, syrupy texture. Cool completely so it sets nicely on the cheesecake, and avoid overcooking to keep fresh strawberry flavor intact. Start with clean, ripe strawberries and slice them evenly to ensure consistent maceration and cooking. Toss the slices with sugar and let them sit until you see juice pool in the bowl. Whisk cornstarch into a bit of cold water and stir it into the heated berries. Simmer on low just until glossy. Remove from heat and cool so the topping firms without losing its fresh flavor for the cheesecake. Brighten the strawberry topping with a splash of lemon juice to balance sweetness and enhance aroma. For a twist, a drop of vanilla or a whisper of aged balsamic adds complexity without stealing the spotlight. If you want a silkier sheen and mouthfeel, stir in a small knob of butter off the heat right before cooling. Taste as you go, adjust sugar or acid, and keep the final texture glossy and slightly thick for easy spooning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.